Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing excellent. Today I'll be sharing with you my easy coleslaw recipe. I'm going to show you how I get this coming out perfect every single time. To get this started, I'm going to be using half a head of cabbage. So I'm going to start by cutting out that hard part you see over there, which is the core. You can also decide to just leave it and cut around it. I'm going to make sure I have this cabbage shredded as thinly as possible. If you find this difficult doing with a knife, you can always use your food processor, and that makes the work even much easier. So right after shredding that, I'm going to use my knife, go over that and make sure I have everything chopped up very good. Then I'm also going to work on some purple cabbage, and just like the green cabbage, I'm going to shred that as thin as possible. But for this, I'll be using just about 1/4 of the head. And if you don't want to use a knife, you can also use this shredding device. Right after that, I'm also going to work on some carrots. And now if you're using this kind of thing to shred up your carrots, you need to be careful with your hands, because I've had accidents with this before and it's no fun. So please be careful if you use this. When it comes to the ratio of vegetables you want to use for your coleslaw, you can always tweak it to suit your preference. You can even decide to omit the purple cabbage and it works just as good. So next thing I'm going to do is give this a good wash to make sure it's as clean as possible and good to eat. And right after washing these vegetables with white vinegar, I put them in this strainer and allow them to sit for about 10 minutes to drain all of that water in it. I also go in with a paper towel after 10 minutes to make sure everything is dry and neat. And that just helps to keep the coleslaw creamy and rich. The next thing to do is to transfer some mayonnaise into a mixing bowl, and to that I'll be adding some buttermilk. I'll also add lemon juice, some sugar, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. I'll give that a good mix. Now just look at that. This coleslaw dressing looks so good. Once that's done, I'm going to transfer my vegetables into a bigger mixing bowl, and then I'm going to mince just a little bit of onions into it. That's going to give it a very nice kick. Then I'll go ahead and combine everything together before I go in with my dressing. Just look at all that creamy goodness. That shows you how good this coleslaw is going to taste. Alright, so right after transferring that, we'll give that one more mix. And just like that, we are done. This is how to make coleslaw very easy. And you can pair this with rice, with fries. You can even eat it on its own, and it's so delicious. And this is best eaten after it has sat in the fridge for about 24 hours. So I usually do it like the previous day, then I enjoy it the next day. By that time, it tastes so good because the vegetables would have soaked up all of that goodness from the dressing. And once again, we've come to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. I hope you try it and I hope you like it. Please do subscribe, like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!